What is going on, you guys? Today we're using this KochChemie ProtectorWax on this absolutely beautiful 1980 Porsche 911 Coupe two-door. This thing's a 5-speed manual, absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna be putting on this protective wax and we'll show you what it looks like after. You like that thing, eh? Taking a video right now.
Oh, you have camera?
Yeah. Does that feel nice? You gotta get rid of it. Let's take a look. Yeah, that looks great. And then just make sure you grab this and give the tire a quick clean after, and then it's bent. Everything can get packed away, basically. I would just fold it up for now because we won't be able to put that in, and trying my best not to get you. Sorry, buddy. This is the wax, so we're just putting it on our last coat of wax. We let this sit for like 3 to 5 minutes.
Rinse it off?
Rinse it off, and then dry it, and then we're done. And then grab some dry rags. We're just gonna dry her down.
I didn't use the VPR for that.
That's okay, bud. That's all good. Everything you did looks great, though. That's all that matters. Listen, pimping ain't easy, you know? I'm at the point where I'm just like, I'm trying to get it done so I can get pictures, and that's all I'm thinking about right now. I'm not very good at multitasking, if you haven't noticed yet. Very like one track mind. And this is probably the biggest job I've done all summer, so. Well, no, the biggest one we did was 5 F-150s. Yeah, that's a big job. No, it did, yeah, it did take a few days. I took one truck per day. Took like 5 days to do the whole lot. Yeah. Just gonna pack up and get out of here now.